never ending when you own a house. We got some people up there who are insulating the roof. So they're putting all new insulation in there. We're taking the roof off. The roof is good, but we're just insulating it. So they're up there doing that right now. There's the insulation. We've got new wooden posts. So we're replacing those that are going on the front porch here. And then all the tacker to finish the inside up here that's not been done. And then having someone come and put AC in the house. And we should be good to go. Our other guests are out, eh? So yeah, it's another beautiful day. Haven't had any rain for some months now. We're longing for some rain. But yeah, I think these posts will look nice as opposed to the 4x4s. So that's what we're up to.